To update the Netflix app on your Samsung Smart TV, start by turning on your TV and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Grab your remote and press the Home or Smart Hub button, then navigate to the Apps section. Once inside, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear in the top right corner. Scroll through the list of installed apps to find Netflix, select it, and check if an update option is available. If so, click Update to install the latest version. Alternatively, you can enable automatic updates by going to the same settings menu and ensuring auto update is turned on, which will keep your apps up to date without manual intervention. After updating, restart your TV if needed, then launch Netflix to enjoy the latest features and improvements. If you encounter any issues, consider checking for a system software. Update in the TV settings under Support, then Software Update, and click on Update Now. That's it, your Netflix app should now be up to date and ready to use.